how to fix Pinterest not working on Android. If the Pinterest app is not working on your Android phone, there are a couple of reasons why this is happening. The first is to ensure that your mobile data or your internet connection is working just fine. And if the app is not opening or having any sort of anything, then in that case on any Android phone, just long press on the Pinterest app icon until you see these options, and you'll see the eye icon that says app info. So go to this app info tab right here. Now from here, scroll down to storage, clear the cache files and try to clear the data. And once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Pinterest app, check if the app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.